Hi everyone. Today I am excited to talk on International Mother's Day 2021. This video is dedicated to all the mothers on this holy world, including our teachers who have played the motherly role in our shaping lives. This day celebrated around the world as a day to honor mothers and motherly bonds with the family. International Mother Day is an important occasion that falls on the second Sunday of May every year. As such, it does not have a fixed date, and this year we are celebrating on May 9. It is believed that modern day celebration of International Mother's Day first began in United States of America when a woman by name Anna Jarvis wanted the day to be commemorated because her own mother had expressed such a desire. Guys, when you return to home from work, wife may ask you how much you earned today. Children may ask you what you brought for me, but the only mother asks you, had your lunch on time. That's the mother care and love towards their children's. If you gift a sari to a mother, I am damn sure she replies with, अरे बेटा पहले से ही मेरे पास इतने सारी पड़ी हैं, इसके बदले तू ही कुछ खरीद लेता हूँ. That's the mother love. On this auspicious day, how can I forget to name few of great mothers from my motherland? Be it Swarajya Janani Jijamata, the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Bhimbai, the mother of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Putlibai Gandhi, mother of Mahatma Gandhi ji, Vidyavati, the mother of Bhagat Singh, Prabhavati, the mother of Subhash Chandra Bose, and Hira Ben Modi, mother of Narendra Modi. If I take few real-time examples of extraordinary mothers like Padma Shri awardee Salumurada Timmakka, who could not conceive any children, so she raised 8,000 plus children to give oxygen to the world. That is, she has planted and maintained the trees on the Karnataka highways. Of course, she is an environmentalist, but more than that, she is mother to all those 8,000 plus trees. Next such example is Miss Universe awardee Sushmita Sen, who had took a decision to become a single mother and adopted a girl child. For spreading the message adoption of girl child, hats up to such a great mother. And how can I miss Sindhu Tai from Maharashtra, who is known as mother of orphans? She has devoted over 40 years to raising over 14,000 children. Now, at the age of 70, she runs 5 orphanages, 2 for boys, 2 for girls, and even 1 for cows. Today, her children grown as doctors, lawyers, and even engineers. Such thousands of examples exist in my country. Today, with a pandemic raging on, it is all the more important for you to hold your mother close and tell her how much she means to you and do something special for them, like play with them, cook with them, and celebrate a day with her. Finally, I want to end this talk with 4 lines from Shankar Mahadeva's song Meri Maa from Tare Zameen Par. भी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ. यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ. तुझे सब है पता है न माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ. Thank you guys. Thank you.